Deep in the middle of University Park lies a strange breed of creatures. Highly nocturnal due to their studious lifestyles, you can find these creatures lurking late at night in the library. Here, you can see them diligently working on creating their semester-long project, CHIP. This creation process can be incredibly stressful for these young adults and requires them to work late into the night. The genetic engineering of these robots can be quite complex. The components must fit rigidly together, otherwise they will not survive the disturbances caused by its predators. Chip is quite the specimen, still in his newborn stage. We can see him beginning to understand the environment around him. Let's get a closer look into how these fascinating creatures are made.
I'm sitting down here with one of Chip engineers, and I have a question for you. So how is Chip built for the environment condition that it faces?
That's a great question. Chip went through a series of prototypes to achieve the most successful offspring. His legs and body were modeled using 3D modeling software, SolidWorks, until they were fit to support his components. After that, we created it using 3D modeling software.
That's great, Alex, which brings me to my second question, which is, what allows Chip to survive in such a dangerous jungle?
That's another great question. What allows Chip to survive in its environment is its natural instincts that were coded into its brain. The sensors intake the light around Chip, which allows him to see. The sensors must be nearly a centimeter away from his surface, or there will not be an accurate reading.
That is a great answer, and I have some concerns, and it is, what is it that you want the audience to take away from this interview about Chip specifically?
So, the main message is that our team genetically engineered the line-following robot species by modifying the creature's wheels, chassis, and sensors to follow a black line as accurately and rapidly as possible. And in that sense, it will be able to withstand the dangers of disturbances and the well-known dangers and predators, which are the TAs.
Oh wow, look at this! Here we have Chip in its natural habitat, feasting on the power supplied by the Duracell plant. This is vital for the robot's survival, because it is necessary for the robot to power the IR sensors, Arduino, and motors. Chip's main evolutionary advantage is his ability to keep a tidy forest. He can switch functions from following a black line to sweeping up the forest floor. Its predators do not seem to mind the robot if he performs his function properly. Chip is high-performing for his species. In his alpha stages, he was able to complete the track in 14 seconds, where other robots struggled. He has a top speed of 150 RPMs in each of his legs and uses his tail for balance. Chip's compact size allows him to be agile in the forest. Both of his legs are capable of rotating both directions. Due to his harsh environment, these robots are almost extinct. They are poached almost on a daily basis for their precious metals. To stop such cruelty, please donate to the Robo Wildlife Fund to save these poor creatures from extinction.